produced by mobile phone. Not only produced by mobile phone. There are many other sources. There are many
Radiation is
other.
present only for mobile phone.
There are
If
many
I
other.
use a listen. First of all, let me complete. What about those animals, those birds who is killed by a radiation? What is that?
It is the same person who is eating mutton 2 times a day talking about the birds.
This is good.
I am able to hack, break your firewalls.
Of course.
Firewall.
No.
It's not like that.
It is not. It is not.
Most of the organizations, they are providing us
Yes.
security systems.
Of course.
To hand over them.
Maybe.
They are allowing us
Yes.
to hand over them, to hack them.
Kamaljeet,
It's not like that I am a criminal.
maybe
How
if
can you say like this?
You are a user of mobile and your mobile in your hand. If any
This is the problem, sir. The phone is controlling you. You are not
You control your mobile. No. It's made by you.
It's also a modified version.
Laptop and
By
mobile
using a
phone is
mobile phone,
different.
you can scroll by screen now. On most of the laptop, they comes behalf of the
Sir,
screens.
what
na.
is the definition of mobile?
Mobile phone is just an electronic device that gives you.
This topic is damn easy, everybody. So who wants to share first opinion from this team?
Yeah, I am going to talk about advantages of mobile. Mobile phone, in this generation, in this modern era, mobile phone is very compulsory and any important part of our life. Why? Because a person can live without wife, but can live without mobile. Why? No. It's reality.
You addicted person mobile
It's
phone.
reality. It's reality. And mobile phone, by mobile phone we can save.
Can you play music again? A person can live without wife but cannot
Live without. And mobile saves our time. And mobile.
How can you say
Yeah, save our time for communication.
for 5 minutes reel? If you are watching 5 minutes reel, it is 2 hours.
It's
In
your,
2
it's
hours.
your mistake. If you are saying
This is only
your
addiction.
mistake. It's your mistake.
It is only-
I do not see any reel in mobile. I save my time in mobile.
See,
No, if you are seeing reels, it's your mistake, not a mistake
but
of mobile.
addiction made you watch reels. The addiction made you watch that reel for 2 hours.
Why are you addicted? Why
You
are you
are
addicted?
you are
Why-
controlled
why
by
are
your
become
phone.
addicted?
You
Why
are
become
controlled by your
addicted?
phone.
Why are you become addicted? Who tells you? Who tells you are become addicted? You become addicted. Who tells you?
Sir, our era has been made such kind of that we are addicted.
Any person, no. If any person addicted of
Sir,
wine,
if
please tell me. If any person addicted of wine, which person mistakes? Who is responsible?
One-
Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Who is responsible?
So,
Wine or person? Wine or person?
let me speak first of all. Let
Yeah,
me speak.
yeah.
You are saying, okay, when you're not watching the reels, again notifications are coming. And even if you don't want to see,
You can close. You can close your notification.
you have to
system.
open that.
No.
And
Unallow. You
once,
can unallow.
And once you see that
You
reel,
can unallow
again
the
that kind of
notification.
reels are coming.
You can unallow your.
This is only the addiction. You are making it addiction. You are making a distraction in that.
No. Yani your mobile, you are a user of mobile and your mobile in your hand. If any,
This is the problem, sir. The phone is controlling you. You are not
You control your mobile. No. It's made by you. No. Mobile made.
You are not, God made that you
Huh.
control yourself.
Yes.
You are not God gifted.
See, if I
No, sir.
listen. If you like this shirt, if the person has wear the shirt, you want to wear that shirt, and this is only the thing. We are only following the trends, and in this trends only we are losing everything. We are forgetting everything, and only we are in distraction, beta. In distraction we are.
If any person any clothes for wearing, if any person use clothes for any other purpose, which
Earlier, what happened?
He is speechless actually, right? The next person, please.
You are talking about lots of students, lots of men, women are earning from mobile phone.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about those people who lost his money from mobile phone?
Like a gambling. It's
Like a gambling.
like a gambling.
It's usable. He's illiterate person that he knows how to use mobile phone. That's why he doesn't know how to use mobile phone in the best way. That's why he's lost a lot of money. He lost a lot.
If a person using mobile phone and playing a gambling game, he don't know how to use mobile phone.
Yeah.
What a bad thinking you have.
Yes, is it like a scams? Okay, first of all.
Listen, first of all, small children, why you are speaking? Let him speak. First of all, small children have no idea how to use mobile phone. So when he use mobile phone, then he have no idea what is the importance of mobile phone.
Exactly.
Then he go to the side of gambling game.
Exactly.
What are you saying?
And he is doing 11 kind of applications.
That once they will give you some amount and he will make you addicted. Once he will give you some amount benefit, he will give you and you once after then.
Because
and
you are
after
greedy person, that's why. You are
and
greedy
when you
person,
will
that's why.
spend your
I'm also
things,
earning with the help of
and
mobile
he will
phone.
or she they will force you to invest something, and when you will invest your amount on that, and then they will do fraud with you. And I have seen with this.
Why you
I have
become
even
fraud-
gone through this.
greedy?
That's why I'm
Why
only
you
telling
have
you.
become greedy? You have,
See, greedy I am not. I am made. I have been made. I used to be made that greedy. I am not greedy. I'm not saying that you are greedy. Yes, they're making you greedy. They
Ma'am,
are
this is
making
your
you distracted.
problem. This is your problem, sir. This is not mobile problem, sir.
Firstly, they are saying that gambling, they are investing their money in a gambling. Gambling is now banned in India recently. And the thing is that I have told earlier that there is a term and condition there. Before investing your money, you should be aware where you are investing your money. You don't want to work outside, you don't want to do a hard work, you are just like giving your father money and investing somewhere just so that in a night you will become some rich man. So you are believing in this type of theory. And the people who are saying that we are addicted to Instagram, like some social apps, they are so free. That's why they don't have to do anything. They are free, that's why they are scrolling, because they don't have to do anything else except the mobile phone. They are just a lethargic
They are
person.
addicted to phone. That's why
They are not addicted.
Listen,
You
can-
are free.
Okay.
You are free. You are not doing anything. That's why you are saying that I am addicted to the
Currently,
phone.
most of students, most of children are playing gambling game. He have no idea. They don't have idea what is the meaning of these terms and condition. He is playing because of other person is playing. He learned this game because they learn game from other person. That's why he is playing. They are playing.
It's a parent issue that they are giving their teenager a phone without a proper.
Our parents have become so busy that they don't have the time to look after the children. And then when the baby is born,
I am here to make
if
you
the
aware.
mother is busy somewhere, the mother give the phone, and that.
So I am giving you. So I am here giving you the solution that you should log in with your ID with your children, so you will be able what they are seeing in their phone. Sign in with your account.
Excuse me. My mummy doesn't know what is email actually. Please. My parents are uneducated. They don't know what is email.
Yes, sir.
How can they
log in?
How can they have? I have 23 email IDs. How can they have actually?
So we are talking about the little children like a teenager, like a 6, 7, 10, and they should be under parental control.
But today's era has become that the modern era, and in that modern era, phone has been counted as a very precious thing, which is killing people, which is killing babies. In small child, baby, even what we don't know, they know, because they are spreading nudity because of phone, and everything is coming.
What's about nudity?
Yes, from nudity.
Just by watching. Phone. They can watch by TV, they can watch by laptop. If not in
TV is not giving. TV is not giving you this. The reels are coming so adulthood one that even a baby is watching that and he's learning bad abuses. They are learning bad.
That's why I'm saying that log in with your ID.
See, no. The logging ID is not a permanent solution, sir.
This this is the responsibility of your parents who take care of our children.
Okay. A small child is addicted all the time in phone, sir. He is not watch.
So what about the children who are learning from the same platform?
No, ma'am. Actually, already addicted of phone. A small child is not eating and without and watching a videos. He is already addicted. Yes, without all the time he's watching and like.
Under the books are also learning from the same platform.
I watch YouTube, then after I know what is well taught.
You came here for verification,
Then
na?
after I came here.
You came here for verification ki it is a exit or not exit, na? By phone you can't verify ki it is
How I
actually
find this well talk. Okay, I found this well talk on YouTube. Yes. When I don't have mobile, I cannot. I don't know how.
If it is the dependency, it is the dependency. You
There's
depend
no
on
dependency,
you
brother.
depend on phone.
know another
Otherwise,
state.
you ask to your friends. There is any
You know what?
there is any
also
institute
lots
of English.
There is also lots of English classes. Why I cannot go there? Why I was not going there? I have option, but I watch on YouTube. Then after I know, I watch sir teaching. Sir teaching. Then after I know what is well talked. Then that's why I
point, sir,
came
same
here.
point.
And I also attend online batch. I also attend.
Which one is best? Which one is best?
She's right here. It's not about online class and offline class. Or she has mobile phone. She was and she came here and she's using mobile phone here as well. So, of course. This is
What about the accident? What about the accident?
This is also very good for me. I don't know any basic.
First of all, let me clear this. By using our online classes, you can learn our skills by using a mobile phones. And most of the skills, some of the skills you can learn by join the offline batches. It's not like that you can learn by using a mobile phones.
You can use laptop, computer. Why mobile phone?
Yeah, mobile phone and laptop and computer, they are also gives us an opportunity to.
No,
Laptop and computer, they are also a devices like the mobile phones, and that gives
No.
us
not mobile phone. Laptop is laptop.
but it's also a modified version.
Laptop and
By
mobile
using a
phone is
mobile phone,
different.
you can scroll by screen now. On most of the laptop, they comes behalf of the
Sir,
screens.
what
na.
is the definition of mobile?
Mobile phone is just an electronic device that gives you.
what is the difference between doodh and dahi?
Yeah, Chacha.
Both are same form, but it is different. Mobile phone, laptop, both are same. What is this?
How can you say?
But
how
what
can you
about
say
if I don't
uncle,
have a
father
laptop
same?
and computer
How
systems?
can you say uncle, father same?
You are learning ethical hacking, I think.
Yeah, I am ethical hacker. I'm not learning ethical
Why-
hacking.
why-
I'm also I'm also
why you are
doing a
learning-
freelancing. I'm
why
also
you are
doing a freelancing by using my mobile phones and
okay.
the systems as well.
Okay, why you are learning English? What learning ethical hacking?
It's my personal problem.
It's my personal point. I don't have to share with you.
You know very well that there is a lot of chances
By
to.
using a mobile phone, I can hack you as well.
That's why. It is a good
By
point. Good
using my
point for
mobile
us.
phone.
It is a good point for us, sir.
What?
It is a disadvantage. He can
Arey mic lagaओ बंद में.
Okay, by using my
he
mobile
can hack.
phone, I can hack
me,
your
sir.
system
It
as
is a
well. By
disadvantage.
using that, I can perform my skills. I can perform my.
If he can hack you, this is good.
I am able to hack. I am able to hack. Break your firewalls.
Of course.
Firewall.
No.
It's not like that. I am a criminal. Most of the organizations, they are providing us
Yes.
security systems.
Of course.
To hand over them.
Maybe.
They are allowing us.
Yes.
To hand over
Arey,
them. To hack them.
Kamaljeet,
It's not like that. I am a criminal.
maybe
How
if
can you say like this?
Arey ruko. If a criminal comes from other country, if a terrorist comes from other country, this boy will be able to help, the authority of this government. Yes.
Why it is important? Listen. Why it is,
mouth is there, man.
sir? Why it is important? Because of some problem arises. That's why they are learning now.
Yes.
Yeah, of course, but by using a
Not-
mobile
it
phone,
is not
I generated my skills. I
Right?
created
Talk
my
meaningfully. Talk meaningfully. Arey, he is not misusing that.
skills. Not misusing that, of course.
Yes.
I'm also providing securities to those organizations where they leak their data.
Okay, wait.
Unauthorized
This is
users.
bottle of water, guys, right? Can I drink by my nose? Arey, I know how to where to drink or how to drink.
I know my skills.
You
how
are
to
wrong,
use
man.
and
Next
where to
person,
use, where to apply. Yeah, of course. And I also started by using the mobile.
Listen to
In village area, 70% uneducated person.
Yes.
Okay. They don't know how can use mobile phone.
Maybe you belong.
Even
to
parents.
areas. Yeah. In today's era, we are living in the 21st century. Most of the villagers they know
No.
and they knows how to
I-
use the mobile phones.
I know.
I'm not talking about the who's currently 80 to 90s. Okay? I'm talking about the person who's currently belongs from the villages. And they are earning in the cities and cities also the highly educated persons.
In my area,
Okay.
70% low.
Come to my area, I will show you the persons who knows very well how to use a mobile phones.
What
Come
about
to my area, I will show 101% people who are using a currently mobile phones. It's not like the keypad mobile phone.
what
He is
about
using a Android mobile phone.
what about those animals, those birds who is killed by a radiation? What is that?
Then you don't have to need a mobile phone.
First of all, radiation is not only produced by mobile phone. Not only produced by mobile phone. There are many other sources. There are many
Radiation is
other.
present only for mobile phone.
There are
If
many
I
other.
use a
there are
listen,
many
first of
other
all, let me
sources.
complete. If I use a laptop, then for laptop, Wi-Fi is the best.
The topic is mobile phone.
Listen, you are talking about radiation, huh?
Radiation is present only for mobile phone.
Radiation are produced by many other sources also, like CT scans, like many medical procedures, networks, many things, MRI. How you are saying that
today-
radiation is only produced by mobile phone?
Which is which produce
There are many things.
Listen. 70 to 80% bird or animals are killed by a yes.
But you can't
by
blame only
radiation.
but you can't blame only mobile phone that mobile phone only reduce.
Because the 80% role have mobile phone.
I'm talking about employment. We are generating
talking
employment
about
by
the-
using a
no,
mobile
no.
phones to
I have lots of answer.
create the employment who's currently unemployed. Maybe you are unemployed, that's why you.
Many persons die because of radiation. What about that?
Because
So why you are sitting here? AC also gives you a radiation, na?
What about say in my family and all our person and using a mobile phone, not talk with each other?
Guys, I want answer on the point of radiation. Many birds are dying. Many animals are dying because of radiation. Yes. Who has answer?
It is the same person who is eating mutton 2 times a day talking about the birds.
repeat again. Listen. First of all, let me complete. Sir, let me complete. Sir.
Anurag wants to say something.
You all say कि hacking is good, sir. But I'm talking about privacy and security. Okay. Yes. Sir, mobile phones are vulnerable to hacking, data thefts, and tracking. Okay. Sir, hacking is good, but another country for hacking is good, not for India. I'm talking about India. What about India? Yes. Yes.
Nowadays,
You know, hey,
just because of phone.
you know
Because of
how many
phone,
people.
Nowadays, police can tap the phone and find the criminals. Can track as you can say track the phone and find the criminal where they are living.
You know how many people get scammed by phones in India? 46% 46% people are suffering scam by phone. You know.
Government making us aware that we should not share our OTP and
No,
there
but
are cyber.
No, sir. Still, sir. But still, sir. Mobile hacking, sir. but still, but mobiles are hacking.
Mobiles are being hacked.
Being hacking, sir.
Being hacked.
These,
When you bring one awareness that why these
Yes, sir.
you protect yourself, then they're doing another step. They're looking another step to hack.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
Tell us benefits, please.
According to me, mobile phone is a blessing for us because nowadays we are live in 21st century. So mobile phone is good for us because of there are lot of good things which is done by mobile phone. So I am support advantages of mobile phone.
Good evening, all of you. As you all know that it is a session of debate and the topic is disadvantage and advantage. So I am in the support of advantage of mobile phone because in this time mobile phone is very important. I can tell you my own experience because I am living outside my home. This is my first time that I left my parents and I'm here. So it is not easy for me to live alone without my parents. With the help of mobile phone, I am able to connect with my parents very easily. I can talk to them on video call. I can call them. And I want to share one example more, which is COVID-19. At that time, people are unable to go outside and they are unable to go to college, schools and offices. At that time, online classes was very important for them by living on their home also.
At their home also.
At their home also. Thank you so much. This is my opinion.
Very nice, very nice. Harshit.